Right, I thought I need to do this video because I know a lot of people have got this package from a EU marketplace for absolutely free this week, and probably a lot of people have been tearing their hair out because they've had a look and all the materials have gone a little bit, like this, where none of the materials are showing up. I've actually been going through every single one of these to sort this issue out, but as you can see, if you go down onto this one, let's say, you can see that the material is not there. So let's do this. I can actually show you the easiest way, and they're both easy which ways to do. You can just go onto the actual material one by one and look for the ones that says error. You'll see it straight away, and it says here at the bottom that it's the sampler type. It's a mask. It says mask, but it really should be a color. So easiest way to fix this is just click that, press save, yeah, and it will automatically fix this material automatically without having to do anything crazy or having to redo all of this kind of stuff here. I know everybody's got this. When the first download, it came out as 10 gigabytes, and then it got reduced down to 3 gigabytes. As you can see, it got sorted out here. But let me show you just to illustrate it on this one here. Okay, and then be so much more easier. So as you can see, the viewport. This is the tube station, yeah, and see all of these is like gone haywire. As you can see there's like 3 of them to get done. So let's actually get all 3 of these done, and you can see what I'm talking about. It says here that the mask type should be color, so all you need to do is that, yeah, save it, and then when you go back into your actual blueprint for it, you'll see that the color automatically updates itself straight away. And you need to do this for every single one. I don't know if they're going to bring out an update, but it is a bit annoying. This is the escalator, so you can see the escalator just got dealt with. There we go, look, all nice and shiny on the stairs. Okay, and let's get all the rest of these done. So there's that one there. There it is there. You just need to look for the one that says error, and just literally just press reset and then save it, and do this for every single one that you've got. In the long run, it'll be well worth it because this pack is absolutely amazing, and it's well worth spending a bit of time doing all of this. The last one, where are you? That's a roof. Don't seem to show up on this one where the error is. Entrance, yeah, that's been done, and just got 2 more here to get done. There's your error. Refresh, save. You're just going to have to get this done for every single one, unfortunately. I don't think they're going to bring out a save or an update for it. There we go. I've just got 1 more to get done, the other side of the stairs, and be actually finished on that one. I'm just showing you here on this way, so you can actually see it being done and it working, and you know that the ones that you got done are done. Come on, save. There we go. So now, is there any more that needs to get done? No, they're all done. So as you can see, everything here got dealt with. The stairs, both the stairs got done, side walls, inside. That needs to get done. So there we go. Save. Get it closed down. And the best thing to do after you've actually dealt with this is to back it up, because you'll have this automatically saved, so you can just back it up and replace it. Alright, which I'll show you. There we go, looking nice. There we go, both of them got done. So once you let me just actually show you the other way of doing this, if you want, so you know that they're all being done. Go into your materials and just start looking for all the ones that have not been. I've done every single one of these so far. It's took me quite a while, but there is that one there. As you can see, the errors there. This is another way of doing it, just showing you very quickly that you can do it both ways. I like doing it. It doesn't really matter which way you do it, because once you've actually done it, it'll automatically update whatever it's attached to straight away. Alright, and as you can see, there it is, done. I'll even do that one for you so you can see. And then what you can do, I'll show you as well, is back it up, back up this whole, you can even back up the folder. I would suggest just backing up the actual whole complete system and copying and pasting it back into your vault. If you don't know where your vault is, I'll show you this right now. As you can see, there it goes, you've got done. Alright, so once you've actually done this, yeah, what you should actually do is, this is the city environment, yeah, where you'll see here it all is, yeah. Mine's in here because I'm making a game, a Harley game, if anybody's interested after a while. There it is. So what you can actually do is back this up, you know, copy it, yeah. Go into your C drive, program files, Epic Games, launcher, vault cache, and there it all your stuff that you use, yeah, that you have saved, and there it is there. Just save it in here, automatically just back it up, you know, right click and paste, or Control V and paste, and it will replace all of this. If I put this one back in, if you don't do this, you put this back in, you're gonna have to do it all over again. So I do suggest doing this. Okay, I hope this all helps you out, and I hope you enjoy it, because it is an amazing freebie, but unfortunately it's a freebie that you're gonna have to do quite a bit of work to make it work. But you know, this is the whole point of making games, that you know, you have to do a lot of work. There we go, looking absolutely amazing. It does. Anybody's not actually had a chance to see this. So yeah, there we go. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm actually going to start doing some more, because I like using DAZ 3D for making models for games, because I find it absolutely more easier than using Blender or anything else. And I think I'm going to start doing videos on certain things that are not being shown about making games on my radio station channel. I know it's a radio station, but I think information is information. It don't really matter where it's come from, eh? So I hope this all helps you out very much, because even some of my friends, they've been screaming at me, help me, don't know what to do with this, like I've got this pack and it's all showing up like this, and yeah, I know, like it's a drama. So we'll just do this one very quickly, just to illustrate it better. I've had when I first got the pack, nothing opened. Like, I downloaded it, it was 10 gigabytes, then an update came, it was 3 gigabytes. I was like, hold on, like, they've reduced this pack somehow, but they didn't actually reduce the pack. They actually got rid of the build, the build settings. As you can see, look, there it goes. Let's get the other bit done. They actually reduced the pack because of the build settings. The build settings was massively big. And it didn't really need it to be in there, so that they kind of like got rid of that and reduced it, so nothing's actually missing from the pack. all these people that's downloaded it for 10 gigabytes like me and actually got it and couldn't do jack all with it was because of the build. They had the actual build settings and it was so wrong. Let me just compile this. Come on, compile. Dirty, needs to be compiled. Okay, so it was dirty, so let's compile it. There we go. As you can see, look, so you just need to do this with all of them. Yeah, literally. Once this is done, then you can actually start really enjoying the system. I actually paid for this quite before and lost the computer, lost my account, forgot what email address I was using, the whole lot. I got into a right bit of a palaver with this before because I had a laptop stolen. I don't really always don't save passwords and things like this for logins, but I had a bit of a mad one and totally forgot everything. Happens. And when I saw it was up for free, I thought I may as well get it. And when I did get it, all of these were showing up. So I hope this video does help everybody. And I'll see you. I'm going to actually do more videos in the future because I like using DAZ 3Ds to make models, and nobody really illustrates using DAZ 3Ds for models because they do actually look really good in UE4 once you've actually made your models and brushed them up and made them look amazing. So I'm actually going to do a model from scratch and show you how good they do actually look in. I'm going to do that video very soon for it and highlight that. There we go. Let's compile it, make it work right. So there we go. As you can see, the building got sorted out. I'm not going to bother doing that one because by the time I go out, let me save it. By the time I go out, because it's the same one, it's only because I'm doing it within the actual thingy. But if I have it here, where is it? In materials, and it was building 5, first building, is it that one? First floor building 5, let's see, I'm not sure if it's that one, but I just want to get this done just to show you. So if you do it this way, through here, you know, everything will update straight away, all on the system. I was only just showing the other way, just to actually show that it does work, that it is working. Alright, so this is doing it here is the best way. It is time consuming, it is painstakingly long to do, but you know, once you've actually done it, you can actually start enjoying it. So I hope the video is informational for you guys, and take care.